Hey guys, today we're going to review the S21 Ultra, my first impression, because it just came out today. So let's get the video rolling. Before I start this video, make sure to subscribe my channel and share this video because I will give you good content every single week. So let's get started. The first thing I would like to mention is the SD card slot and the charger accessories. So I don't like both of them because I don't know why they took away the two essential items, but especially the SD card is very important to me. I use SD card for all my phones, and somehow this year they took it away and I don't like it at all. I usually use SD card to transfer information, files, even though pictures I want to save it on the SD card and I can look at it on my phone. Now I cannot do that. I have to force to transfer all the image to my new phone, which I don't like that at all. But that was my first impression. But however, they do really have a very nice screen this year. It's brighter, it's more colorful, and the 120 refresh rate, it makes the phone way much better. And you don't really see the bezel anymore. They actually fit every single corner. So when you look at the screen, it looks like you're looking at a TV with no frame at all. Okay, let's talk about the camera. The camera itself, as you know, the specs is so amazing. If you look at the specs itself, it's 100 times zooms, there's 100 megapixel. It's so amazing. There's no camera out there on a cell phone is better than the S21 Ultra. It's even better than the Note 20 Ultra as well. So if you take a look at these cameras, right, they are really sharp. If you zoom all the way in, it's actually pretty good as well too. It doesn't shake that much, and it's very clear as well too. The software can help you to stabilize your image when you zoom all the way in. The final impression of this phone is the camera bump. It got so much smaller. I'm not scared to scratch the lens anymore, and they finally changed the design of the camera, which is really awesome. All right, it's like one of the most scariest thing for me when I use the Note 20 Ultra. One more thing I would like to mention is the S21 Ultra color. Even though we don't have that many choices in Canada, but I really like the design. I really like the color, and I look at some places like Hong Kong. The color they have is just it looks so good. And what do you think? Which color will you choose if you buy the S21 Ultra? So this is my short first impression of S21 Ultra. I hope you like this video, and subscribe my channel and share this video, and I will give you a full review on the S21 Ultra, S21 and S21 Plus. Alright? Thank you for watching, and stay tuned and stay safe. Bye bye. Peace out.